Nure Nure. It's a Kurdish style, Kurdish language. Okay? We start on your right. We start on the right. Up and cha cha cha, back and up and cha cha cha. Your hand like this, okay? Like a Kurdish. Okay? First part. Back and cha 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 and up and cha cha cha. Twist. Back with the right and go to the center. Cha cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and cha cha cha. This is first part. Second part. Up on both and on your left. Up and cha cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point and heel. Again. Up and cha cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha. Again. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha. Third part. Eretz Eretz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sway and cha cha cha. 5, 6. We count 6 all the time. Going to your left. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sway and cha cha cha. 5, 6. This is the first time we dance the dance. The second time we do the first part. Second part, third part is changing. Back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we do the third time. First part, and then the second part, this one, is changing. Now it's different, it's a melody. We hold with our small fingers. We go to the center, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Back, 2, 3, 4. Step behind, cha-cha. Step behind, step behind. 1, 2, and coming back on the line. Step behind. 1, 2, 3, 4. The cha-cha is inside and outside. The cha-cha on the line, step behind. Now on the line, cha-cha cross. Cha-cha-cha, cross, cross, cha-cha-cha, cross, cross. Cha-cha with a turn to your right. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Sway to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. To end the dance, we do the second part, the third part. This was like the second. Third part, Eretz Eretz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, cha-cha-cha, to your left. Step behind. 3, 4, 5, 6. Sway and cha-cha-cha. 5, 6. We do the chorus, the first part, once again. And to end the dance, again the first part, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2. Cha-cha-cha. Twist until the music ends. Good luck. Thank you.